clinical researchers, I wanted to talk to you today about the importance of business development in this industry. It's 2019, it's a busy year, I'm expecting a very lucrative year. Make hay while the sun shines, meaning there are lots of study opportunities this year, but you want to take advantage of that. And if you're a brand new clinic, you definitely need to take advantage of that because your study pipeline needs to be full. This year you shouldn't have a problem doing that if you're an established clinic. If you're new, this is the time to start getting your pipeline full of studies, because when the downturn happens, and at some point it will, you want to have a pipeline for your clinic of future studies. You can never have too many studies. It should be obvious why you need a full pipeline of studies. I mean, number one, it's very tough to recruit patients, so you may need more studies to maintain a certain level of revenue than you think you do. Number two, studies can end at any time, and with all these big data, remote monitoring, analytics in real time, studies can end quickly. They can just pull the plug like that, and now you're out of a study. So at some point you become more selective, but you should never think that you have too many studies. Now finally, how do you go about doing all this? It sounds like it's a lot of work, and the answer is it is. You either need to commit to doing this at least an hour a day, going on clinicaltrials.gov, networking with people, LinkedIn, do whatever you can to get that pipeline going. This is biz dev. Or you can hire someone. I don't recommend brokers. You can hire someone like me, or you can just hire someone internally to do this for you. An intern would be fine, 24/7. I'm trying to keep this video short. Of course I'm oversimplifying, but I've done hours and hours of videos and webinars on this topic, how to get studies for your clinic. Just follow that recipe. It's nothing that is complicated. It is tedious. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of follow-up, follow-up, follow-up. It makes sense to sometimes outsource this to someone else. My company does this. I created the company that I wish I had when I started my clinic back in 2005, 2006. But you can do this yourself. I'm not doing this video to try to get more clients, although that would be great. I'm doing this to tell you the importance of having a full pipeline of studies for your research clinic. And some way, somehow, you've got to figure it out and you've got to do it. Take care and good luck.